If you own a Hero 13 or even the Hero 12, you need to turn this off right now, unless you want to feel serious buyer's remorse. Because the leak we've uncovered isn't just a minor spec bump. This is a full-scale technological takeover. For years, the debate has been the same: battery life versus resolution, HyperSmooth versus low-light performance. Today, that debate dies. We have definitive insider information on the GoPro Hero 14 Black, and it reveals a device that doesn't compromise. It dominates. I'm talking about a sensor so revolutionary, a processor so fast, and a feature set so aggressive that every single competitor has just been put on notice. You are reportedly up to 75 minutes of continuous high bitrate recording before throttling becomes a concern. For the adventurers who film long expeditions, this single feature, reliable, extended power, is worth the price of admission alone. Section 4. The unexpected game-changer features. GoPro always hides a trick up its sleeve. Here are the features that leaked in the deep, confidential files that nobody else is talking about yet. First, native time warp 4.0 with AI scene selection. You no longer just set a speed. You tell the camera, I'm on a motorcycle going down a winding road. The AI processes the visual information and automatically adjusts the time warp speed and the stabilization intensity dynamically throughout the clip for a seamless, professional-looking final product. Second, integrated magnetic ND filters. No more screwing on bulky plastic rings. The Hero 14 features a recessed, magnetically locking system for professional neutral density filters. Snap on the ND8 for flat daytime video, or the ND64 for that cinematic 180-degree shutter rule, instantly. This is a massive professional workflow upgrade. Third, advanced audio separation. The new microphone array, coupled with the GP20, allows for real-time wind noise cancellation that is selective. It can isolate and eliminate wind noise while preserving speech recorded on the built-in mics, something previously impossible without heavy post-production. The final verdict: why you must pre-order. We have a 1-inch type sensor, 7.6K resolution, 4K, 240 FPS slow motion, HyperSmooth X with infinite horizon lock, and over an hour of battery life under heavy load. This isn't just the next GoPro. This is the camera that finally closes the gap between action footage and full-size cinema camera footage. It is built for the creator who demands everything in a tiny, rugged package. The projected launch price? Leaks suggest a slight but justifiable increase to $599 for the body only. But you know the reality. When these specs hit the market, that price will vanish overnight into scalper territory. Your only move now is to prepare. Stop debating your old camera. Start budgeting for the machine that will capture the adventures you haven't even had yet. I want to know which feature is the absolute deal breaker for you. Is it the low-light performance from the new sensor, or the incredible 4K 240 FPS? Comment below right now, and let's see which upgrade wins the day. Do not wait. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because the second the official reveal happens, we will have the immediate comparison and buying guide you need. The Hero 14 Black is coming. Prepare to throw out your gimbals. Prepare for clean footage in the dark. Prepare to dominate your next adventure.